Yeah, 1957, 172. I got it 3 years ago now. Last flown in 1985. It was in an unheated hangar at Anoka, but when we got it, it was like, airplane's got good bones, and this would be a good one to, do the work that we did to it. I got it, and I started to polish a little bit, thinking I'll just get it flying right away. It turned out that by the time we got done, we had completely disassembled the airplane, and I had it in rotisserie and was standing inside the fuselage with a pressure washer, steam cleaner, because of all the mildew and the mold from sitting in an unheated hangar for 30 years. We didn't have to do any reskinning. We didn't have to, except for the rudder. The rudder was all cracked, of course. We had to fix that. And there was a piece on the cowling that had gotten schwacked by a tow bar. The airframe was all there and good. But we did have to just take everything apart and clean it. Polishing, I've been answering a lot of questions about that. You got to commit to it, and you got to start, with like the aggressive stuff first, just to get all the schmutz out from around the rivets and the seams, to really get that stuff cleaned up. We had the wings off and had them laying on rolls of insulation, so it's like you let gravity, do the work for you. We went from the airway buff and then started with Nuvite. At least my secret to the Nuvite was using a little bit of mineral oil, which makes, a horrible mess, but it really gives it a nice even finish. And then I switched over to Flitz, and then, microfiber cloths. There's just a lot of elbow grease. I think it's kind of addictive. Once you get one area really nice, then you want more of that. You want to keep polishing. You want to get the rest to look that good. I was about halfway through the airplane, and somebody had said, "Hey, I got these wheel pants for sale. Brand new." So we bought them. It's like, well, that would look really cool, on the Cessna. Because they're beautiful on the 170s, but they never had a nose wheel pant. And so we thought, well, we can fix that. I had a guy doing the CAD work for me, and I'd come over and I'll take a little out of this, a little out of that, and got the tooling for the wheel pant. And then I have the equipment. I made that half. It didn't take very long. It was fun, you're trying to make it look like it belongs there and make it look like the factory did it. It's cool, and it really adds to the airplane because it's like, look at how awesome these wheel pants look. You work all winter in Minnesota in the cold, and you kind of get, mentally it wears you out, and you're kind of like, why am I doing this? And then you come here and you get all that feedback, and you're like, oh yeah, that's why I'm doing this. It kind of recharges the batteries. And then you go home and you're ready to go to work on something else.